Hello all. So till now we have discussed about timer interrupt and hardware interrupt. Now we will be discussing about a new concept called as context switching between the processes. So for this, let us create a new program. Context switch. Okay. Let's see. So we have created a context switching.c. Let us add this in the file. So we have had context switching also. So context switching is something like, so this will be saving the current process state and it will be switching to another process state and restores the data. And so it's something like if you want to perform an operation, two different operations, it's like generally takes like one operation gets executed first, followed by second one will be running. Whereas context switching is like both the processes will be doing one after the other. So this program generally creates two processes that appears to run concurrently. This is called as context switching. Okay. So let us start writing this program. Okay. So here let's start int main void. Okay. So here let us declare the parent PID. And PID is equal to 4. Parent I is equal to 0. Let's use for loop and let us try to run a loop between two different things. One is some child running and parent running, and let us try to use the context switching by running it both of them parallelly. I less than 5, I plus plus. So here if PID is equal to 0. Let us call this as child percentile backslash n. Hmm. So here in if condition, until and unless if condition gets executed, it doesn't enter into else condition. This is all we know. So let us try to it is an else condition. This is child. Let us call this as parent and let us use sleep function. So sleep of some so basically this yield CPU with a timer interrupt and let us close it. So now let us compile this. Hope there is no issue in this. No, we are having output HWDIN. Acha, so this is a different one. Mm. So this is different, that is different. So in context switching, we are getting some error. Error as if think there won't be any issue. It was a bracket mistake from my side. So yeah. So printf we have done it. So as soon as we compile this program, let us context switch. See here in this context switch, we are able to get it as, see, we are running a loop from 0 to 5, means it goes from 0 to 4, the 5 number of iterations. So whenever we are trying to run it, so we are getting parent 0, child as 10, and it is like this gets operating one after the other without any predefined system call. So this is without any predefined system call, like we are using context switch. Let us run this again. So if we see, so here the for this context switch we are getting parent ID is 34, and again here we are getting parent ID as 2, and we are, so basically I think this is getting corrupted again, but this will be something like first the parents gets executed, the child gets executed, then comes parent, then again, sorry, first parent gets executed. So output would be parent 0, child 0. Then comes parent 1, child 1. And in this way, we'll be getting everything. Like it's something like, see, this is parent, then come child. This is parent 0, then gets child 1. Then again parent 2, child 2. In this way, they should be getting printed. So this is what. So hope you have understood what is context switching. So when you're running this one, so initially all the if it be printed, then comes else or vice versa. But here it's like one print is getting printed, one print of parent, one print of child is printed. So and we are getting this. Hope you guys understand there is some issue in this compiler which is getting this crashed. If not, everything would be have been clearly visible for us. So that's it from today's session. Hope you have understood everything. Have a great day. Thank you.